Welcome to the Warlord Strategist, where every legend begins with a single question. Do you truly understand the battlefield beneath your boots? Before any plan is drawn, before swords clash and arrows fly, 5 forces shape your fate. These are the 5 elements of the battlefield. Terrain, the ground that decides who rises and who falls. Forces, the strength, skill, and resolve of your armies. Time, the clock that can turn victory to defeat in a heartbeat. Morale, the spirit that drives men to hold or to flee. Command, the mind that sees through chaos and turns it into conquest. In every war, these elements decide whether you claim glory or are swallowed by history. Today at the war table, we break down the secret structure of every battlefield, the foundation of every strategy, and the test of every commander. If you're ready to think like a true warlord, subscribe and join the Legion. Let's begin. Terrain, the ground beneath your boots, is no blank canvas. It is the crucible of war hills, forests, rivers, plains, or ruined cities. Terrain shapes every movement, every sightline, every ambush or retreat. Dominate the ground, and you dictate the terms of war. Remember, the land crowns victors and buries the unwise. Forces. Your armies are more than numbers. Strength, skill, discipline, equipment, and raw. Will these decide whether a line holds or breaks? A warrior's spirit, a formation's unity, and a commander's training, all are tested on the field. An army is not counted in heads, but in hearts that refuse to yield. Time. Time is the hidden blade. It's not just hours or seasons, it's the moment to strike. The hours of fatigue, and the chance to outlast or outmaneuver the enemy. Move too soon, and you risk disaster. Move too late, and opportunity slips away. Time is the silent ally, or the hidden enemy, on every battlefield. Morale. Steel alone does not win wars. The spirit, motivation, and courage of your troops, their will to fight, to hold the line, or to run, can decide battles before a single blow lands. High morale sparks heroics. Broken morale scatters armies. Morale is the fire that keeps warriors standing when all else fails. And above all, command, leadership, vision, and swift decision-making are what turn chaos into victory. A wise commander sees through confusion, adapts in crisis, and leads their soldiers to triumph. On the battlefield, command is the first and last weapon. Commander. These are the 5 elements of the battlefield terrain. Forces, time, morale, and command. Ignore one, and risk disaster. Master them all, and the world will remember your name. If you want to conquer each element in detail, subscribe now, smash that like button, and sound off in the comments. Our campaign is just beginning. The next lesson, mastering the ground itself, starting with the deadly secrets of the Terrians. Onward to victory, Commander.